Sometimes we need to create a table to help us in our work. Excel is a program that's help you do that, and that's easy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a logbook spreadsheet for your car. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here again. Let's start by creating a spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, we're going to write important values, and none of them are useless. The values for my spreadsheets are date, hours, journey, odometer reading, reason for trip, and driver's name. If you don't know how you edit a simple table, there is a link in the upper right corner to video I showed you last time. Now you know how to do it, and let's fill in the table now. What I'm about to write is just for example, so it's normal, then it doesn't make sense. So, Sunday, January 9 to 22, from 2 p.m., 7 p.m., and that's 5 hours, from Texas to LA. I write the mileage from the car when I start, and then when I'm finished, I calculate how much difference there is between the numbers. Why did I drive? It was for a business trip, and my name is Joseph Dawson. That's all. And now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching the video, and give me a like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.